subscribe, hit the like button, notification button, all the button, hitable, like, share, subscribe, Kokumama channel. Thank you all.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. If today is your first time, you are highly welcome. Please consider to subscribe if you never subscribe to this our mommy Coco Mama Egweji channel. Wahala be like cover she make una no mind me. Please subscribe, share, like, and leave us comments. My returning viewers, when are too much, God bless you now. Thank you so much. So today, I don't want to laugh. I don't want to laugh. Not be every day night person they laugh. Yes, you get one person supposed to be serious and talk about serious issues. Serious issues. They're supposed to handle serious issues with seriousness. You don't need to laugh. Yeah. And these two people more that they see on the screen, make I put them on the screen. Rita Edochie and Anita Joseph. The both of them are actresses. The thing make on day for social media now they make everybody the verse, including one Yoma. Make it sit down here. Yes, this one Yoma, including me at the verse. Is a wine, the verse, at the para. We did for this critical moment. This time, on a normal ground, they know they celebrate anything this time around. Now, when body the sweet person, that person they celebrate. You know, go fit they cry. They say make you come snap picture, then you come post where. They must see them. They must see say you are not happy. So the reason why they make all this small parable may not make meaning, and because of this what it be this Anita Joseph can't go a social media platform, go they celebrate Rita Edochie, say happy birthday mommy, long life, blessings, gbegbo. Come pray better prayer on top of Rita Edochie head. Now the team provoke people. Come provoke me self. Adeze wine yoma is a wine. I converse. I say, who give you the right to celebrate this evil woman? This time, she no need to. Nobody should celebrate her. Before she was an icon, but now she be. Man, no go call her name. Me self go come they go their church tomorrow. Go they apologize because me I hate waiting. I go do can't go they beg. I go still respect her because na more that she be. My respect her small because as I just dressed like Nne today, you know go good. My carry this Nneli dressing. Come they insult another Nne, make I give an Nne advice. This Rita Edochie, she not supposed, nobody should celebrate her now. On a normal ground, they're supposed to stone her for what she did to Ada Jesus. Then Anita, whether na your nyash, they shack you get big nyash, you never see person make get big nyash before. That your nyash mean na so shit na full. You can't they celebrate her as all the Nollywood celebrities. They come outside, they say waiting Rita Edochie do no make sense. We no hear say you Anita Joseph came out to say rebuke the woman, say mommy, you be mother, you not supposed to do this kind of thing. Then you can't come now, they celebrate her for her birthday. Are you okay? Why some people no get sense like this? If I talk now, they go say, Coco Mama, na only you see am. Only you na dey see everything. Only you must talk am. You too talk. You too do. Talk, tatafo, ame. But before I call, I don't know wetin be my name. Wetin be my name? If I no gossip, wetin I gain? If I no talk, do amebo, wetin come be my profession? Wetin Anita do now, it makes sense. No, make una tell me, it makes sense wetin Anita do. They talk, they quarrel, they fight Rita Edochie. Anita go dey celebrate her. Come and see the way people blast, people attack her, call her with your big smelling yash. Then cuss am. So say I know all those people make cuss am for say me they send their number for me, make I send 1,000 naira the charge card, give all of them for the course. They help me do my work. Rita Edochie may no fit forgive God creature. He do like say him na mini God, deputy God, I be na governor God, I be vice president of God Almighty. Whether na she walking to heaven, I don't know. Na she they will come to celebrate at this point in time. My people, see wahala o. How una see this matter? Make no be like say me I can't take am personal. Like make una help me leave comments in the comments box. Tell me how Rita Edochie, they're supposed to celebrate her now. They're supposed to celebrate her. No be no on the normal grave, no be saying a elderly woman. No be koboko, they're supposed to take the flogger or stone am. I celebrate you, man. Long live. You are this, you are that. See the kind big name made they give am. Like say she get God heart. Rita Edochie maybe say na after devil, she is the woman after devil's heart. As they see this man or this woman are after God's heart. She na after devil's heart. She kuku black self like the devil. Carry put eyelash for eyes like a butterfly. I been na leke. I will not forgive her, and you will not stand up from there. Let me still will save you. Like seriously? Now the same woman now they celebrate. Some Nigerians are shameless. So read Anita Joseph, you get sense. I be that your big nyash. Don't pack all your sense. Must you celebrate her? This not the right time to celebrate Rita Edochie. What has she done? Make them go celebrate her. This not the right time. She can never be celebrated. Never again. Even our lovers, people that love her well, they don't already turn back. Me, I be one of her lover. I love and respect this woman. She be one of my best in Nollywood. But now, they give me cane. I go flog her. Tear her cloth, join her. No be say we like what Ada Jesus do. Ada Jesus did wrong to dey insult people may no find her trouble, or people may feel burn her. Insult. So tele, he go insult Babalawo join am. If you say na normal woman being she dey insult, problem for no day. He can't go enter Babalawo join am. Problem come now. We don't even know where the problem. Whether na Babalawo do am, I been na the people may they fly for night. I been na the one may they fly for afternoon. We don't know who do am because they don't carry Caesar and Bomo join all the power together, insult all of them. And they tell you, now anybody may they insult. Now see the way me I do my own. Now only pastor I dey focus so that I go know where my problem they come from. No be say go insult Babalawo, insult winch, insult wizard. You join all of them together. You don't go know where your problem come from. Insult Bomo Ogbanje, winch for village. Insult only one. Just focus on that area. Me now, anything happen to me, I go. I know the pastors. I'll meet them. I go to their church, beg them, they'll forgive me. Case closed. You go put mommy water join her, ogbomo everything. We know what she do no good. Say read Ada Jesus, you be small pikin, you pass your boundary, blah blah blah. But last Rita Edochie, more than may you be. Now you come worse past the Ada Jesus. We say Ada Jesus no get sense. But now Ada Jesus can't even get sense pass. Come to the same church, may she insult, constantly beg the church, beg una no forgive her. So who come wise? That Jesus mean a small pikin. Can't get sense past Rita. Can't get sense past Udumeje. You see? They will never talk that one finish. Oh, matter they for cry. Everybody they vex. Despite say Rita Edochie come outside. Okay, I forgive the next day. The next day. Let's assume say that her forgiveness go heal that girl that day, and after that day she go die. This girl for don't die. if I don't die, somebody may you know create. I be Rita Edochie won't tell us say she need to offend people. She won't tell us say she need to offend people. I be she never offend God, may create her. Nah, I will not forgive. I will not forgive. You will not stand up from me. Blah blah blah. The next day, come sit down for chair with him. Bomo eyelashes may put. People call me. I receive many call. I forgive you, but never you talk to the major like that. Can't they do like somebody may see shit? I no blame you. No blame you. I no go talk say I blame the Ada. She did the right thing to come beg. She did do the right thing so that God go fit forgive her, because you need to beg those may you offend before you tell God say forgive me. Yeah, people say for una mind na una make her dey sick. Now she said it with her mouth, say she don dey sick for more than how many years. So no be una curse am. She just wan make peace because she realize her mistake, say she no try to dey insult people. Una come claim say na una do this heal, na una make am. Even Ndomeje, that one come dey when I finish with you, I will start from your generation. Are you sick, Ndomeje? See now, I dey curse you now. Oya, come make me. Yeah, people, all these fake men of God. Are you sick? You finish with her, you start from her generation. You dey craze? Whose generation? You get generation when one start from another person generation. Now you create yourself. No be God create you. You say God dey appear to you. Ndomeje say God dey appear to him. God may dey appear to you, no tell you say may you dey forgive. Now God create you. Even the signs and wonders may they do for your church, no one pure. All of them are fake. That your WW wrestling may they do for there. John Cena being an Undertaker. You will carry somebody, way they do the person, you go fall on for ground, all the person bone go scatter. Now deliverance with that. Person may wear come church. You after deliverance, if they go church, all in bone don't break. Now deliverance now they do for them when they deceive on themselves. If una wan show us say una be real men of God, make una go isolation center. Una go see corona patients there. Una go pray for them. May they heal. Cripple, una pray. May they waka. People may don't die. May they for mortuary. Una go they heal them one after the other. Not be all the fake miracles more that they do for church. They deceive mumu people like una. Collect their money. Yeah, people, they never talk. What be in name? This one may get big nyash when I water full in nyash. What be that in name? So make her see him face again. Anita, he come say, I celebrate you, Mama. God bless you. You are a woman of this. You are a woman. Are you okay? According to Mr. Macaroni, are you normal? Mr. Macaroni, you say, are you normal? Yeah, they stink. I may make a step up for this young Jerry, my people. When I know vessel, as do me now, job one. I beg, make you like the video if you like. If you not like, no problem. My own be say, I pour my mind as it do me. I dey vex. Now understand. So I love you so much from my heart. Please like and share, subscribe. I love you guys. So I go do live streaming today. Oh, make I don't forget tomorrow, 17th of April 2021. We get media chats for worship media platform, Chidiwayawu platform. Please, 3 a.m. Oh no, 3 p.m. Nigeria time. We'll go there. This now the flyer when they see on the screen. Myself, Parara, Mock News, Adiola. So already, founder of Sahara Reporter will be there. Dele Momodu will be there. Linda Ikeji will be there. Katia Velino will be there. Obodo Yubo TV will be there. Augusta Gold. So many people. I beg. This not the flyer. I'm gonna just see. Coco Babe will be there. When I see I don't go virus and viruses, Abby. Do you think it's easy to be on the same platform with people like Dele Momodu and Linda Ikeji? It is not easy, and so worry. I am going to places. Ben. I am going virus. I am going viruses, Ben. So we could make una share tomorrow 3 p.m. Nigeria time live on worship media, we dey there gidigba, dey there with us and see wetin we get to talk. Parara mock news will be there, me will be there. The two comedians we are going to be there. Benny, so let me stop am for here. Benny, thank you so much my people, I love una so much.